If you want to add new fields to your tasks, projects, or team members where you can fill out additional information, you can do that by adding custom fields to the relevant sections. For example, you can add custom fields to your tasks. To do that, you should go to Tasks. Then you should click on the specific task. Here you can see a field named Custom Fields. You should click on Create a new field. After clicking on it, you can decide whether you want the field to be a text field, number, drop-down, or a checkbox. By creating the field, it will appear in all the tasks that exist in your workspace, not just this one specific task. To add a custom field to your projects, you should go to Projects, then click on Projects. After it, you should select the specific project and then go to Custom Fields. Again, you can see this field, and by clicking on it, you can again decide whether you want it to be a text, number, drop-down, or a checkbox. And again, after creating this, it will appear in all the projects in your workspace, not just this one specific project. You can also create custom fields for your members. For it, you should go to People, then click on Members. When selecting a member, Custom Field section appears here again, and you can create a new field for all the members in your workspace.